Want to change your Tinder username? Here's how to do it. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Here you can see settings icon located at the top right corner. Tap on it to go to settings. Scroll down until you see username field. Once you find it, tap on it. Now delete your old username and enter a new one. Once you have typed it in, tap save. Your new username will now be visible on your profile. If the username is not saving, ensure you have followed Tinder's username guidelines and that it's available. If the username is not saving, ensure you have followed Tinder's username guidelines and that it's available. And that's it. Your Tinder username is now changed. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.